I was in the shower the other day when the idea dropped, so I thought I should share it. There are vital things in life you must always remind yourself of. These are not your family names or the money in your bank account. They are the truths that will guide your life towards fulfillment. Here are they. 1. Your vision. If you don't have a place where you are going, you might as well be going nowhere, and there's nothing more frustrating than that. Where are you going? What do you truly want to do with your life? How does your future look like, at least in your own terms? That's the essence of your vision, the picture of your future. You must always remind yourself of this and find ways to stay on track. You can't just hope for a miracle when you're doing nothing. Something must be done for more things to happen. So, remind yourself of your vision. That brings us to the next point. 2. Your journey. You must always remind yourself of your journey. This tells you where you are now and how things are unfolding. If you're not on the right path, you can't get to the right destination. So, the question is, are you on the right path, and will it lead you to your destination? Your destination can't be in the north and you are heading towards the south. You can't get to where you are going. So, regularly check to ensure you stay aligned with your vision. 3. Your unique selling point, USP. What is so unique about you that people will find so hard to ignore? There must be something. I know you might say you don't know, but that doesn't mean it's not there. Every one of us has a USP. The earlier you know, the better. Your USP helps you position yourself for opportunities. It also gives you the confidence and self-image you need to carry yourself with grace and strength. Knowing your worth and value in the world helps you understand what sets you apart. Even when people compare you with others, you know your uniqueness, and that uniqueness will always shine through. Always remind yourself of who you are and what you possess. That's what your USP is all about. 4. Your values. What are your values? You must always remind yourself of these. Your values include the things you stand for, your morals and standards, your do's and don'ts, and the principles that define who you are. Your values are tied to your priorities and commitments in life. They influence your rules of conduct, standards of behavior, and expectations. Always keep them in mind. They help you set meaningful goals, create healthy boundaries in relationships, and stay focused on what truly matters in your life. 5. Your time. Another vital thing to always remind yourself of is your time. Time is limited, and you don't have the luxury to do everything. You must focus on what truly matters. Who are the most important people in your life? What are the most significant things? What brings you the biggest results? Direct your time and energy toward those things. Remind yourself daily how valuable and limited your time is. It will give you a sense of urgency and focus. 6. Your life lessons. Remind yourself of the mistakes you've made, the successes you've achieved, and the failures you've encountered. Always reflect on the vital lessons you've learned from those experiences. Life lessons are essential for making better choices, growing wiser, and becoming stronger. 7. Your legacy. What do you want to be remembered for? Who do you want people to say you were after you've gone? What impact or influence will you leave on Earth? Think about these questions and remind yourself of the legacy you want to leave behind. 8. Your motives and intentions. In everything you do, there's always a motive or driving force behind it. Remind yourself of your motives and intentions, whether they are good or bad. What is your primary aim or goal when you do something? Does it align with moral goodness, or is it something negative? Reflect on these things, as the intentions you put into the universe determine what you'll receive. The energy you give out is the energy you'll get back. 9. Your beliefs and mindsets. What are your beliefs and mindsets? These deeply influence your decisions and life choices. Your beliefs and mindset shape your reality, your destiny, and the results you have in life. Pay attention to them and remind yourself of their potency as they play a critical role in your life. 10. Your purpose. Last but not least is your purpose. This is as crucial as your very life. Your purpose is the reason you are here. There is nothing more important than this, and everything you do should align with it. Distractions may come, but don't let them be an excuse. Your purpose must always take precedence, guiding the relationships you form, the places you go, and the things you do. So, friends, those are the 10 things. I hope you've learned from them. By reminding yourself of those things, you will position yourself to live with clarity and vision, and your life will transform into something extraordinary and excellent. Cheers! Read next. It's the end of the year and things are still not working. Read this. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book. Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, I Say Music got you. Contact sopiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. 9 ways to avoid distractions. 2. Making sense of our strengths. 3. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. 4. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works. L1. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments.